Today we are diving into the flavor town. A cheesy goodness. It's simple to make. You can meal prep this. You can make this for a family. One pot dinner. Very simple. Now just check out the recipe. We're gonna start with our meat. Add your choice of protein. Then we're gonna add our breadcrumbs. Then add our spices. I'm using red chili powder, red chili flakes, black pepper powder, and salt. Now I'm gonna grate in a garlic. We're gonna bake this in the oven. You can definitely pan fry them, but when you bake them, it gives them a better flavor. Trust me on this, just bake them. Now we're gonna chop our onions to smaller bits. Fine chop them, as fine as you can get. Now you can use canned tomatoes, but nothing is better than fresh tomatoes. Don't blend them. Don't be lazy. Cut your vegetables. Stop being lazy. Take your time. Let's oil up the pan. Be generous with it. Now we're gonna start with our onions. We're gonna sweat them. Finely chop them. We're gonna sweat them till they are slightly brown. Once they are perfectly golden brown, yeah, just like that, we're gonna add our tomatoes. Now we're gonna cook them. Now right now you can add your basil. I don't have basil, so I'm not gonna be adding it, but you can definitely add some basil. Add a bit of salt to it. I won't really go harsh with the salt. Go a bit lighter on the salt. You don't want it like too salty, because you can add the pasta which is already salted. You can add your cheese on top of it, which is already salted as well. So you want to go light for the sauce. We're gonna salt the water. Now I'm using penne pasta. You can use rigatoni, ziti, or penne, I guess. There are a lot of pasta you can use, but I'm using penne. Oh, that's too much. We're gonna boil it al dente. You save some of our pasta water. Don't save the pasta. Save the pasta water. Once our sauce is ready, we're gonna add our pasta. Okay, some of it might have ended up outside. We're gonna add our meatballs. Let's use your hand, it's much easier. Don't worry about I wash my hands. Leave this on the side for at least 5 minutes before you add it to the baking tray. Here I laid my parchment paper. You can just not use a parchment paper and just oil up the pan. I don't want to deal with the hassle of cleaning the pan, so I'm just gonna start with my pasta. I forgot to record this part. It is ricotta, mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, garlic, and a bit of parsley. We're gonna just spoon this here. It's not the prettiest, but it tastes delicious. Our mozzarella cheese on top of this. Don't be generous. What do you think? Now we're gonna top some more pasta on it, and we're gonna repeat the process. We repeat the process. We add our ricotta, mozzarella, parmesan, egg mixture. We add our mixture, and then we top it up. It's just a amount of it. If you have more, be generous with it. Add some more cheese. Fuck, I'm out of cheese. I ran out of cheese on this side, but this side has cheese in it. Let's see how it does. Put it in the oven at 450 for 20 minutes. Till you can see it's sparkling yellow, golden brown. You don't want it there out of the oven. You can still hear them sizzle. Perfectly golden brown. And now we're gonna leave it alone for at least 10 minutes. Let it cool down. And then if you wanna meal prep this, all you need to do is take your tray, put it in the fridge, and let it sit. In the next morning, just take a slice of it, add a bit of cheese on top, add a bit of your marinara sauce. It doesn't matter if it's store-bought. Even the store-bought one, just put a bit of marinara sauce. Microwave it for 2 minutes, and you have it exact same day. The taste does not change. I have personally done this before. You can do this up to 6 days. On the 7th day, I wouldn't eat that. It's really good. Up to 6 days, easy meal prep food. Tasty, high in calories though, so you need to